My name is Takia Lattimore. I am a surgical technologist studying at Berkeley College.
I worked in jobs for about 5 years of my life. I'm a mother, so I just wanted to set a good example for my children and going back to school and getting a career for myself. This one particular day I was off both jobs and I went home to clean my house and I just had an accident hit my head. And when I hit my head, I went to the ER and they found a tumor. When I went in the OR, I was so nervous and I see everyone setting up and clinking instruments around. The nurse looks at me and she said, "Are you okay?" I'm so nervous. And then the surgeon looks back at me, she said, "Honey, we know what we're doing." It just felt like everything was going to be okay. And I knew when I got out of that hospital that I wanted to be in the medical field. If you're looking for a family-based institution that really believes in your dreams, then this is the place for you. They care if you, the individual, actually become the professional that you set out to be.
I am Takia Lattimore and I am a surgical technologist.